Good morning from Lake Tahoe. Today's adventure will take us to 3 of the top luxury golf course communities in the Martis Valley, a short drive from downtown Truckee. All 3 of these have staff gated entry and are accessed by Schaffer's Mill Road. I'm Trinkie Watson with Chase International, and I love helping people buy and sell properties in the Lake Tahoe region. Give me a call or email if you would like answers to any questions. Today we'll start with Lahontan, the first of these 3 developments. Prior to its development, this property was the backdrop for several scenes in the wonderful classic TV series Bonanza. Today, real estate prices in Lahontan range from $3 to $5 million, reflecting the age of the home, the size, and the state of updating. When this came on the market in the late 90s, lot prices were in the $300,000 to $500,000 range, and few of us in the business thought this would ever take off. Today, the 960-acre property has a little over 500 lots, mostly all developed. The Tom Weiss Golf Course meanders through this beautiful property, and there is also a shorter executive course. The lodge houses a lovely restaurant that's open on a seasonal basis, plus a fabulous spa and fitness center with his and hers club rooms. There's also Camp Lahontan with pool, tennis courts, playground, and small clubhouse. Walking trails abound and connect to trails into the mountain and North Star. Martis Camp. Martis Camp has 2,173 acres and 653 home sites, most of which are either in process of being built or have already been completed. Recent sales prices in here have ranged from $3 million to over $15 million. It opened for lot sales in 2006 with the Tom Fazio Golf Course christened in 2008, along with the charming Lost Library. In 2009, the fabulous Red Barn opened with a restaurant, basketball court that opens to become a stage for summer concerts, bowling alley, movie theater, and art project studio, along with the adjoining pool and a pond for catch and release. The beautiful 50,000 square foot lodge with gorgeous dining, gym, shop, and pool opened in 2011, and in 2012, the Lookout Lodge opened to accommodate members at the bottom of Lookout Mountain ski lift up into North Star. The complex also has its own beach club on Lake Tahoe for daytime use. Talk about a full-service resort community. Also, Martis Camp really started the modern look in our homes up here. In prior years, if you had a very contemporary house, people loved to look at it, but they really didn't want to live in it. They wanted to be in the mountains with more of a mountain feel to their homes. But today we're seeing mountain contemporary popping up all over the place, and people are really resonating to it. Our last development is Schaffer's Mill in the same area as the other 2. This is the smallest with 475 acres and a little over 400 lots. The private golf club, designed by Johnny Miller and John Harbottle, debuted in 2008 to great acclaim. Its Martis Valley and beyond views are amazing. The project was acquired by a new developer in 2011, and its ensuing sales have skyrocketed. The property started with popular shared wall mountain lodges, and now it's also populated with custom and semi-custom homes. There is a tennis pickleball complex, a lovely resort-style pool, and adjoining Peg's Poolside restaurant with golf and pro shop, Millworks Gym, and the new Sawyer restaurant that is open to the public with reservations. They also have base camp at North Star, accessed by shuttle. This has a place for your skis, there's a lounge for light refreshments, and it's just a lovely way to access the ski mountain in nice comfort. There's also a great program on the property for kids. Prices here range from about $1.5 million to $5 million, and there are also non-resident memberships available. We're at the end of our little tour for this week. Next time, we're going to talk about the ski areas that are in our region. So be sure to watch. Thank you for watching today, and be sure to subscribe here.